Elvis, our friend, with a voice of fire, from Memphis night to dreams much higher. You sang your hope, our love, our pain. Your echoes rise on the midnight train. Let her go, that cruel smile. You made the world stop for a while. From tender ballads to rock and roll, you shook the earth, you touched the soul. Through lonely hearts and traveled halls, your music lives, it never falls. When life gets heavy, when nights deceive, we hear your voice, Elvis, our friend. Now the time rolls on, but you remain. In every chord is sweet refrain, a quieting light till the weary end. Forever singing, Elvis, our friend. Forever singing, Elvis, our friend. Forever singing, Elvis, our friend.